Hi, my name's Kathryn. I'm the Community Engagement Ranger for the South Rights Away team. I'm here with our fantastic ranger team, Brad and Abby, and we're here on a wonderful stretch of the Meon Valley Trail. We're here today just to show you a little bit about what these guys get up to. So Brad, if you could just introduce yourself and tell us a little bit about why we're here and what we're doing.
Well, I'm Brad and I'm the Countryside Access Ranger for the team, so the lead on the more practical bits that we do. So today we are building a post and rail fence to take the place of a broken bridge parapet, which is the wooden bit that stops people falling in. And we are doing it a little bit elongated along the path to save us having to work right on the edge of the bridge where there's a bit of a fall. So we've done most of it and we've just got to put the middle and the bottom rails on now.
That's great. I look forward to seeing the finished results when it's all done. Thanks.
So to begin with, they would measure the distance between the upright posts, cutting down the long lengths of wood to fit. Using clamps to secure each piece in place, they then fix the rails to the uprights. This process is duplicated for each section they need to do. You'll also notice that Abby paints each end of the cut strip with a wood preserver. For the lower bottom rails, they had to dig a small trench and level the ground off to enable the lower rails to sit level and give an even distance between each set of horizontal rails. When all the rails are fixed firmly into place, the tops of the vertical uprights were then sawn off and sanded to remove any splinters.
Abby and Brad have finished installing the handrails, and I hope you agree they've done a really super job of this. Now there's a lot of planning and preparation that goes into something like this. First and foremost, line searches have to be carried out. Now the line searches are really important because it shows us if there's any underground cabling or utilities, so we need to be aware of that before any digging takes place. Brad would also come out and look at the area first to see how accessible it is, like are they able to get the work vehicle down here, will they be able to drop the materials off, and then they'll look at actually where they're going to be working and how safe it is, and if they need to take any other necessary precautions whilst they're here. Now when they're on a job like this, you saw in the video that while they're doing any cutting involving machinery, they would always wear their ear defenders and eye protection. So it's super important that they do adhere to these safety requirements. They're also really mindful on a stretch of right of way like this. It's a really busy path. So we get lots of horse riders, you get lots of cyclists and walkers. So they're always on the lookout for anyone passing. So if they are in the middle of the work, they will stop doing what they do and allow the users to pass safely. So I hope you've enjoyed watching the video to see what Brad and Abby get up to. We're hoping to bring you more videos like this over the coming few months of various other jobs that they'll be working on. So please do check back and watch the space. Also, we've got plenty of other videos on our YouTube channel, so please do go and subscribe. Thank you for watching and hope to see you soon. Bye now.